Okay, I just take a minute to go over pretty much Chrysler's waterproof engine, is what we're going to call it. So this is a Chrysler 230 Flathead 6 in the Dodge M37, which this one particular one's a 53, and it would have been in service in the Korean War and possibly even the Vietnam War, because they would recondition these trucks and reuse them. So, what made these engines waterproof? Well, we'll start with the distributor, because it's most noticeable to most people. So this is the distributor cap of a Dodge M37, and it is not. This isn't the cap. This is just the cover of the cap. The cap is inside. It's right there. Just like it looks, just like any plastic cap on any other antique car, except it has this coming off the end, and this goes into your coil. This connects the coil to the cap. There's no coil wire. This is your coil wire, essentially. It goes connected to the cap. Obviously, here's your little terminals inside the cap. And then this is what made these truly waterproof. Is this seals up. So the coil is actually in the distributor. There's the coil right there. And up here, obviously, you have your points and your condenser and all that, and your rubbing block over here, and all that's in there. And here's your rotor goes on like this. Hang on a second. Let me think about this. Rotor goes on like that. And this all seals up. All seals up just like this. Oh, hang on. One-handed's kind of tough. So this has 6 screws that holds this onto the distributor body. And it has a rubber gasket that goes down in this groove. It seals it up, makes it waterproof. So you tighten all the screws down. This essentially becomes waterproof. And that's what it looks like together. And then, that's not all. So this is where the spring goes down in this little hole here in the top of the coil. And that connects it to the cap. The other thing would be, well, how you make a spark plug and wire. You plug wire and spark plug waterproof. Well, that's what these threads are for up here. So this end, see that spring? It goes down in your hole and connects to that plastic cap. And then you tighten this down. You literally just screw it on with a wrench. So you sit here and tighten this guy down until it's tight. And you would normally use a wrench too, but obviously I'm not putting it on the car. Now this, same thing on the plug wire end. So this is like any old stock Autolite. Except it screws up to it just in the same way. Just like that. Oh shit, you know. That's all I got for you. That's Chrysler's waterproof distributor. See you next time.